is just a cold day out there, 29 degrees. With the wind out of the west at 18 miles per hour, it feels like 16 degrees out there. So we have got a bitter wind chill. And the dry air is here, but we're not seeing a lot of clearing of those clouds. It's taking a while for a high pressure ridge to move on in. So mostly cloudy skies expected for today as we look at the planner. By 3 o'clock, about 31, that is our high temperature. And typically, that is our low temperature for this time of year. By 6 o'clock and even 9 o'clock, mostly cloudy skies, 27 at 6, 23 at 9 o'clock. So we're going to be in for a chilly evening tonight. Wind chills tonight into the single digits. As we look at satellite and radar, we do have lake effect snow. The strong winds out of the west to northwest pulling down some lake effect snow. We could see a flurry or two, but for the most part it's dry weather and of course no accumulation expected. Let's zoom in closer, and as I said earlier this morning, we had at the Allen County Airport some wind gusts clocked at 38 miles per hour. We're seeing some in Ottawa up to 25, 30 up in Findlay. Right now in Lima 18. We could see some gusty winds this afternoon between 25 and 30 miles per hour. So we could see some scattered flurries like they're seeing up to the north around Defiance, but nothing is expected to accumulate. So let's look at Futurecast and how it's predicting the winds to be moving through this afternoon. Once again, 29 up to 30, even over 30 mile per hour gusty winds expected, and that's going to stay with us not only today, but into Wednesday. We'll see a brief period. Tuesday, we'll see a little bit of a die down up to 25 miles per hour, but on Wednesday, back to a lot of winds again. So high pressure is beginning to move on in. It'll clear out the clouds, and we'll begin to see more sunshine by tomorrow. This high pressure ridge pretty strong, and it's going to be keeping us dry even into Wednesday. It looks like Thursday afternoon and evening is our next chance of some shower activity, and it looks to be showers because we've got a warming trend ahead. After we get through these bitter cold temperatures, we're going to see highs typical for this time of year, and actually as we look at the 7-day, warmer than normal. We're going to see some highs around 50 degrees. So some warmer weather is ahead. We just have to hang in there because it's not warm today. 31 the high, winds out of the west, 15 to 20, gusts up to 30 miles per hour. So breezy and cold. Maybe you could see a flurry flying this afternoon, but nothing that you need to worry about, nothing measurable. 18 the low tonight with those gusty winds still. We could have wind chills in the single digits. So maybe throw on an extra blanket or crank up the heat a little bit more. Tomorrow still another cold day. Our high 28, partly sunny skies with those winds out of the west, so it will be cold once again. Looking to the 7-day extended forecast, breezy on Wednesday, the high 42, but more sunshine. And then Thursday, we'll see sunshine to start the day, and by late afternoon and into the evening, it looks like the chance of showers move in. Showers are likely throughout the day on Friday, but we do see that warming trend, and by Sunday, our high 50 degrees, so that'll feel like a nice warming trend there when we get the 50s after we've been struggling through these 30s and 20s.
It'll be like summer.
Exactly, really. Shed the coat.
All right, well, coming up on News.